Nkolu, Peter Wanyama.
Take your seats, honorable senators. I'm informed we do have quorum now, so we'll proceed with our session. Clerk, proceed to call the first order, please.
Order number 1, communication from the chair.
Senator Karungo and Senator Mtata, kindly take your seats. Now, honorable senators, I have a communication to make relating to the business of the Senate, scheduled for consideration during this very solemn sitting. You will recall that at a sitting of the Senate held on Wednesday, the 9th of October 2024, I appointed today, Wednesday, the 16th of October, and tomorrow, Thursday, the 17th of October 2024, as the days when the Senate will hear the charges and investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency DP Gachagua, EGH, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Now, honorable senators will also recall that at a sitting of the Senate held on Wednesday, the 9th of October 2024, a procedural motion for the alteration of the sitting time of the Senate for Wednesday, 16th, and Thursday, 17th of October 2024 was moved and approved to facilitate the impeachment hearing of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Subsequently, via the Gazette Notice number 13178, I notify the general public that pursuant to Article 145, subsection 3 of the Constitution, and Standing Order 781 of the Senate resolved to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency DP Gachagua, EGH, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, in plenary. Now, honorable senators, regarding the hearing and determination on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Deputy President, a program has been prepared and appended to today's order paper. As is the tradition, and in line with the schedule of activities for an impeachment hearing in plenary, the Senate will hold a closed-door preparatory session to deliberate on the management of the investigation. The objective of the preparatory session is to ensure that the process is conducted seamlessly, concluded timely, and in line with the requirements set out under the Constitution and the Senate standing orders. Honorable senators, during the pre-hearing, the parties, if they are present, all members of the public and the media will be expected to withdraw from the chamber and the galleries, and any form of broadcasting from the chamber shall cease forthwith. In accordance with the program for the impeachment hearing, the open session will commence at exactly 10 a.m. Consequently, I now direct all members of the public and the media to withdraw from the chamber and the galleries, and any form of broadcast from the chamber to cease forthwith. Kindly be guided accordingly. Thank you.